Hi, this is Steve McDaniel once again. Just wanted to touch on another subject related to home insurance that a lot of people have a lot of questions about. And that has to do with your home discounts, what discounts are available. And a lot of insurance companies are really getting clever about this. They're tweaking things around, and that's one reason why you may find one insurance company give you a little better deal than another company, because some of the ways that they mix and match these discounts can make a huge difference. One of them that I didn't even mention on here that's very common, used among most insurance companies, has to do with your insurance score, which there, 5, 6, 8 years ago, that was a huge hoopla over that, because a lot of people were highly upset, because that factors in credit, but it also factors in other things as well. So the vast majority of companies use that. There are a few companies that don't, but by and large, the vast majority do. Probably the two most common discounts that people think about, and usually the deepest discounts, are the auto home discount and also the auto and monitored alarm discount. Each company puts a lot of different weight on those. With the auto discount, you might find anywhere from a 5 to a 15% discount on your home insurance is the most common, somewhere in that area. Alarm discount can be, around the same range. So some companies will put a whole lot on one and a lot on the others. Some companies may say, okay, if you have your auto and you have a monitored alarm, then we're going to give you this big discount, but not either or. So I'd like I say, they get really clever with this, and just it kind of depends on how they're trying to nitpick and target their market. But those are, of course, the two most common things, and usually something I'm going to be asking you about as well. It's not always the best deal for you to have home and auto with the same company. Sometimes it is, sometimes it isn't. It's just a matter of just running the numbers and checking around, seeing what works best for you. Other discounts, some companies will also offer multi-line discounts, delving into maybe if you have your life insurance policy with them or some other type of business with them. Some of them, it doesn't even have to be with that company. You can just say, okay, if you have another policy with this agency, then there's another discount involved in there. A lot of times, some companies are targeting people in certain careers or certain education levels. Maybe if you have a master's or a bachelor's or a doctor's degree or something like that, they may weigh that in there, or whatever occupation you're in. Maybe they want to offer firefighters and police officers and physicians or engineers or what have you. There might be certain discounts with those two. Normally those are smaller discounts, 3 to 5, 7%, but again, cumulatively it can really add up. So those are things. For example, if I'm asking you for your, if you completed college or if you have a master's or what occupation you're in, it's not that I'm just being nosy. I'm looking for discounts for you, and sometimes those will come into play. Other discounts can involve the age of your roof. A lot of companies, if a roof's 5, 6, 7 years old or newer, you get another big discount for that. Same thing with plumbing, electrical, air conditioning system. So again, if I'm going in and say, okay, when did you replace your roof? When did you replace your plumbing? Your electrical, usually that means they want it, that's a discount if you rewire the whole home. These are kind of hard to prove sometimes. A lot of times, if you have this stuff done, hang on to your receipts and put them somewhere where you can find them, because it can save you a lot of money on your insurance, especially if you own an older home. But they're going to want to see documentation. They're going to want to see the receipts, the proof that roof has been replaced, that type of thing. Same thing going with the monitored alarm. They're going to normally want to see proof that you're having it monitored now, because some people have it monitored for a while and then drop it. So they want to make sure, if you're getting the discount, that it's being monitored. Your age. A lot of times there's maybe a benefit to getting older. When you're retired, sometimes there's senior citizen discounts. On the other hand, sometimes if you're real young, there can be kind of a penalty to it. So that's more of a factor with auto insurance than home insurance, but it can affect the rates. And also kind of where it's located. Are you in a place that has good fire protection? If you're out in the middle of the country and there's no fire department anywhere near you, you may not even be able to get insurance from a lot of the different companies. The further you're away from the fire department and the lower rated your fire department is, again, less of a discount you get. And so where you are has a lot to do with it as well. Hopefully this helps. That's why I ask a lot of the questions I do when I'm looking around. I'm saying, okay, these are different factors that's going to affect where to place your business. So hopefully that helps, and I'll be back again another time with some more tips.